Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I always like when, companies decide that they want to throw us numbers that we can't really verify in any way and that are kind of just out there. One such number in the news today is about Google Chrome and the Chromium team that came up with a number that tells us that we, as users, have saved 10,000 years of searches on the web thanks to the performance of Google Chrome. And now they're stating, of course, the performance on loading web pages, the speed that they actually load, the performance due to the fact that now tabs can go to sleep and minimize the power consumption of the computer itself and the browser itself, and of course the efficiency of all the different protocols from viewing pictures, from the compression of certain websites, and from the fact that basically it just performs better than everything else. And this, of course, is always an interesting thing to check out. How do you come up with numbers like that? How do you calculate that, you've saved 10,000 years to the user? That's always these kind of numbers out there. It's like when Apple says, oh, this is 2 times faster than that. Yeah, but we don't know the speed of that. So 2 times faster of, I don't know how fast it is, doesn't mean anything. It's a little bit like that on the front of the Google Chrome browser. One thing for sure, it's maintaining its dominance. More than almost 70% of people are using Google Chrome, which is quite amazing. We've seen over time with security updates and all that, the idea of having the same base for everybody is not necessarily the best. Some don't like Firefox, but I want Firefox to continue to survive for just that simple reason that it's a different engine than Chrome, and that is, I think, welcome. Of course, for the developer side of things, it's different, but I think that putting everything in the same place is not a good idea. But anyways, apparently, we've saved 10,000 years of our lives thanks to the Chromium project and Google Chrome browser efficiency. So what do you think of these numbers, and how do you interpret this using Google Chrome and Chromium? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.